My name's Aaron Graber with Ventrac, and in this video, we'll talk about the V-Blade. If the main objective is to clear snow as fast as possible, the V-Blade is one of the best attachments to do it with. Like many of our attachments, our V-Blade is very simple. It has all the functionality you'd expect from a V-Blade, and it has the durability you'd expect from Ventrac. Both left and right wings can angle 30 degrees forward or reverse. It has a built-in trip mechanism, and both left and right cutting edges are reversible and replaceable. The width of the V-Blade, when both wings are straight, is 55 inches. When both wings are angled forward, it's 48.5 inches, and when both wings are angled back, it's 48 inches. The V-Blade connects to the tractor with the front hitch arms, the 2 hydraulic lines, and the 12-volt connection. The 12-volt is an option for the tractor, but you do need it for the V-Blade, so if you're going to run a V-Blade, you have to make sure and get that kit on the tractor. The adjustable skid shoes are located right here on both the left and right side. You'll adjust these as the cutting edges wear. Since this is a V-Blade, the cutting edges are the same from left to right side. So not only are they flippable, you can swap them between sides to control the cutting edge depending on how the blade is adjusted if it wears unevenly. We also have available polyurethane cutting edges, a top snow containment flap that bolts into these holes, and 2 separate extensions for the V-Blade. A 6-inch extension with an additional 6-inch flare on the top side, or a straight 6-inch extension. Both of those kits come with new cutting edges because they're longer for each side. On the top of the V-Blade, you'll find your pin for your trip mechanism. You can see it's located in this hole right now, which means that the trip is active, and you'll want it that way for when you're plowing snow. That way when you use the V-Blade on an uneven sidewalk or a surface that has potholes or other things in it, when the bottom edge catches, the top edge trips forward and doesn't rattle the machine as much. You can take this pin and put it into this hole here to lock the trip mechanism for when you're moving dirt or other material and you don't want the blade to trip forward. You can control the action of the trip mechanism by tensioning these springs, more or less. This piece here is threaded. You can thread these nuts further to increase the spring tension. Operating the V-Blade will be mostly done in the float position with the SDLA lever. Then you use the second lever to control the wings. Left and right with this lever will angle each wing, and you use the red on-off switch to switch between one wing or the other. Since the cutting edge will be doing the work of scraping snow and debris off of hard surfaces, you'll want to run this attachment in weight transfer setting 0. Occasionally, you can add some weight transfer and play with the settings if you want the skid shoes to be able to glide over obstructions easier. The Ventrac V-Blade strikes an excellent balance between capability and versatility. With all of the options available, this attachment is the most durable and versatile compact blade on the market, and it will offer years of reliable service in a multitude of different applications. Thanks for watching this video on the Ventrac V-Blade. For more information on this and other attachments, visit our website at ventrac.com or call your local dealer for a demo.